The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Remove the pre-installed screws on the main unit. Then install the holder for the laser handle. Remove the pre-installed screws on the main unit and install the small bracket. Then remove the pre-installed screws on the long holder and attach the holder to the small bracket for the hair removal handle. Install the hair removal handle and place it onto the holder. Install the laser handle. Attach the desired tip. And place it onto the holder. Install the pedal switch. Remove the sealing cap from the injection port and attach the funnel. Connect the wide hose to the funnel. Remove the sealing cap from the overflow port. Fill water through the funnel. Until it flows out from the overflow. Remove the funnel. Reattach the sealing caps to the overflow and injection ports. Connect the power cord and press the button below the screen to power on the machine. Select 808-755 1064 nanometers diode laser on the screen. Select the treatment area size as M and skin type as 2. Tap the face on the screen representation, then tap SHR stack. Settings. Fluence, 80J/CM superscript 2. Stack 0, 4. Cooling level, 4. Tap STBY to initiate the process. Select the treatment area size as M and skin type as 2. Tap the arm on the screen representation, then tap SHR. Settings. Pulse width, 80 ms. Time, 5 minutes. Frequency, 4 Hz. Grid size, 3 square centimeters. Cooling level, 4. Tap STBY to initiate the process. Tap Ready to stop the process. Select the treatment area size as M and skin type as 2. Tap the thigh on the screen representation, then tap HR. Settings. Pulse width, 85 ms. Frequency, 4 Hz. Cooling level, 4. Tap STBY to initiate the process. Choose Pico laser on the screen. Select 532 nanometers. Settings. MJ settings, 350 MJ, Hertz, 1 Hz. Tap STBY to initiate the process. Choose 755 nanometers. Settings. MJ settings, 600 MJ. Frequency, 3 Hz. Tap STBY to initiate the process. Choose 1064 nanometers. Settings. MJ settings, 800 MJ. Frequency, 2 Hz. Tap STBY to initiate the process. Tap Ready to stop the process. Press the button below the screen to turn off the machine. To drain or replace the water in the tank, remove the cap from the drainage port and attach a funnel. Remove the cap from the overflow and wait for the water to drain completely. Reattach the seal covers.